Hi, sweetheart. Yeah, baby. Listen to your little present. Yay. Yay, pretty bird. Pretty bird. You want to be petted? Come here. Come here, let me pet you. Come here, I want to pet pretty bird. Pretty bird. Hey. Pretty bird. Come here, pretty bird. Aw. Pretty bird. I'm not going to make you step up. I wouldn't do that anyway. You pretty bird. Come here. Come here, pretty bird. Who wants to be petted? Pretty bird wants to be petted. I know she does. Pretty bird. Aw, baby. Come here. Come here. Oh, I know you do. Come here. Pretty bird. Little pretty bird. Come here. Come here, let me pet you. Aw, I want to pet you. Towel and all. I don't want you to hate the towel anymore. Can I pet you? Aw, pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Come here, pretty bird. Pretty bird. Come here. Come here. You have to let me pet you and then I'll give you... Yay, pretty bird! No. All right. Let me pet you. There you go. I guess the towel really doesn't work for you, huh? But you did okay today. You can do a little more of that. You did a good job.